Ever dreamed of bringing your ideas to life? Discover the step-by-step process to create an eye-catching flipbook that will wow your audience, whether for storytelling, portfolios, or presentations. This guide will turn your visions into reality. No design experience needed. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to make a flipbook in Canva. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So I have just to creating an account by clicking over sign up. You'll find the button here, or you click over login and you find your account by writing your email address and your password. So this is the same with signing up. And if you already log in, you will find here home. You click over it and you will find this page. So this is it, the page of designing on Canva. So, are you ready to unleash your creativity? In this guide, you will learn how to create an engaging flipbook using Canva's intuitive tools and templates. Let's transform your ideas into a stunning digital experience. So watch this video until the end and follow the simple steps and you will be able to create in your own flipbook. So don't forget like and comment and subscribe, and let's get started from the scratch and making together our own flipbook with our ideas. So this is the home page of designing. You have just to search for books, and you will find here the templates. For example, you have just to click over sale firstly, then the second step, which is click over all filters and you select the category that you want. For example, if it's business, social media, and we have here various things about education also, video, we have marketing, print products, cards, and invitations. Then we have also here you choose the style that you want, the theme also, the language, the feature, the grade, the subject, topic also, and here we have the price and the color also. Then you click over apply. So I choose two categories, which is the price, it's free, and I choose also the color, which is white. So I will select, for example, this one, and I will click over customize this template. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is page of customizing or designing your template that you choose. So let's wait for it. So right now we have it, as you can see. I will just firstly add a page because it's a book. I'll add this page and I will select the background. For example, I will select the white background. The same with that. And then I will select the background. For example, here I will select this one. As you can see. If you want to duplicate it, you click over here and you duplicate the page. Then I will just go here and copy this books. Alright. I'll put it here like that. Then I will add also this one. I'll paste it here. And here we have it, as you can see. As you can see, this is how it looks. Right now I will just firstly add a heading. I will go to the text and I will add a heading. I will select the size, for example, I will select 64. And then I will write, for example, the title. Have a crime. Then I will add a subheading. I will add the size for it to always much better. I will add, for example, Alex Fiddle, for example. Then if you want to add also other elements, such as, for example, this one. And here we have it. Also, you can search for example, crime. we have graphics. If you want also photos, and for example, just select for example this one. I put it for example here. And here we have it, how it looks. I will add also this one. And this is how it looks, as you can see. This is our box. Right now I will just add introduction here. For example, let's wait and I will add it. As you can see, this is how it looks right now. So this is the coverage of our book, as you can see. And then we have here also this one. And I add also here the texts. So this is, you can also duplicate this one if you want. You can delete it if you want. You can also add a page. And also you can duplicate here, as you can see. So right now I will show you how you can share this one and make it or transform it on Flipbook. Right now you click over share, you click over simple booklet flip, or you can just click over this button, then you scroll down to design. So we have your design, as you can see. Then you click over simple booklet flip, and then you click over save, as you can see. Once you do that, you'll find here this one, prepare your design. So let's wait for it. Creativity is infinite, experimenting, growing, taking risks, bringing. So you have just to click over view in simple booklet flip, and you will find the dashboard of this one. So let's wait. So we have prepare your Canva design. As you can see, here we have our box. I will click over convert. So let's wait. It's been uploaded to the CV. This may take a few minutes, so let's wait for a few minutes, and then you'll find your flipbook. So as you can see, here we have it, and this is how it looks. And this is our flipbook. So this is how it works, and there you have it. You have successfully created a stamp flipbook in Canva that brings your ideas to life. Don't forget to share your masterpiece and let your creativity shine. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design tips and tricks. Happy flipping, guys. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.